Hello YouTube and welcome back to episode 6 of the TypeScript Discord bot tutorial series. And in this episode we're going to be making a help command as it has been requested by a lot of you. So we'll start with creating under public commands help command.ts. Now in here we're going to import command like we do with any other command with this called a Cairo. So we're going to import message and message embed from discord.js, like so. And we are also going to install a package called common tags. So that's npmi common-tags. And then from there we can do import strip indent from common tags, like so. Now we need to obviously export our default class help command, which extends our command class, and then within this we're going to have a public constructor as always along with our super, and now we can define our command aliases, which should be help, commands and cmds. You can add any aliases as you want, as many as you want. It's completely up to you. And then our category is public commands. And then this, where we're doing description now, actually comes into play in this command today. You're going to see why we've been doing this in every episode. So we're going to have content, view available commands on the bot. There's going to be usage. So you can do help command. And then there's going to be examples, which is an array, so we can have help on its own, or we can do help ping. And then we want a rate limit, so I normally do 3. And then we want arguments. So arguments, an array of objects, so we can have ID, command. The type is a command alias, and then the default is going to be null, like so. This is HOSTINGBOT, a cheap, fast and reliable hosting company. They provide many services such as virtual private servers, hybrid servers, dedicated servers and website hosting. Starting at such a cheap price, you can get a 10 gigabit per second port speed. This is perfect for music bots. Perhaps you cannot afford a price like this. Maybe we can interest you with 30% off each month. Enter the code VOLTREX in the promo code and you will be able to get this VPS as low as just over $3 a month. If you're having doubts, just look at all these happy customers. And now we can do our public execute function, which takes a message along with our arguments, and it will return a promise of a message, like so. So, if a command name has been provided, then we want to simply return message.channel.send, a new message embed, and then within that embed we want to do set author, help, and then we want the command name, like so. And then let's just use the bot's avatar. Let's set a colour, let's give it a material green colour. And then we'll set a description now, and this is where strip indents comes into play, or common tags. So this allows us to basically be able to make new lines in our code without the need of using \n. So it just looks neater really in this case. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that now. So we want the description, which is going to be command.description.content, and that gets the content from here, from every command. And if there is no content, then you just want to handle that, so no content provided. Then we want the usage, command.description.usage, or no usage provided. And then examples, we're going to handle this one differently. because it's an array. So command.description.examples is going to be a ternary operator. So if there is examples, then we're going to simply want to map it. So we can do command.description.examples.map, and then we're going to get a description from that. So we can then just format that like so, and then we'll just join it by a new line. Otherwise, no examples provided, like so. And then that's our embed. So if they don't provide a command name, then what we're going to do here is simply create a new message embed. Then again, we're going to set the author. So help, and this time we're just going to provide the bot's username and then its avatar, but you can put whatever you want here, personal preference. You can choose any colour as well, again personal preference, but I'm using a material green. And then let's be helpful and set a footer. So this.client.command-handler.prefix help command for more information on a command. So that's just a little helpful tip for people to use. And then we are going to do a for of loop. So const category of this.handler.categories.values, and we're going to loop through those. So if this array includes category ID, then we just want to iterate, to go to the next iteration basically. Then we're going to add a new field, which is going to be the category ID, which is the name of the category. And then from here we can do filter. So we want to filter it so that we want to make sure there's actually, like, you know, commands in there. So make sure the length of the commands is above 0. Then we want to map, and this is where we decide how we want to style it. So I'm going to do bold and put them inside of these backticks too, and then CMD, and then we can join it by a comma. Otherwise, no commands in this category, like so. And I'd say it looks nicer like this. And then we can do return message.channel.send embed. And now we can go ahead and compile using TSC in our terminal. And then we can run the bot like so. So now we're in testing area, we can go ahead and run the help command. And there's our commands right there. And let's check out more information about ping. And as you can see, there's our description, usage and examples, like so. And let's just, for argument's sake, as you can see, the examples are onto new lines. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.